Hello guys, fried chinchin. The name of the chinchin, the name will say I give one by myself now. Chinchin beetroots. Yeah, now know that fruits. They are them. The time I've been joining this video for us, so that now you know the fruit you are talking about. Yeah, I'm going to tell you this chinchin because why? That fruit it contains a lot of things. It contains as in good health, like kidney, anything at all, sleeping. Yeah, it contains a lot of things. Then that is that beetroot fruit. Yeah. Then we gonna think this out. Then let's do this chicken. We had all this our seasoning. Okay, all this our seasoning. So we have the journal, all this our butter, our nutmeg, our powder, salt, which is sugar, normal thing. Then once we add our milk journal, okay, once we grind our beetroots. That beetroots, that one, let me say, we take mixer. Okay? Because why they talk this video now is that say my video. I know anything, I just don't touch. Just do it. Now they can tell now. Let's use this moment to tell now how I take do this beetroots chicken or chicken beetroots. Okay? Now I'll put some for the now so see there. I'll put some for this 3 can. I'll put some for this 3 can for my kids. You understand? My kids they watch them now, they all sit down, they watch cartoon now, you understand now lifestyle. They all sit down, they all put on plates with their small plates. They watch cartoon, they throw on the pants. Now what's the one that's supposed to be thrown down? This one now. You know say chichi, not things that children they eat all the time, they don't eat all the time. That's okay, because all they sell them for you. This one will be very small, say chichi all the time. Then as this one now, how they put some for inside. You understand? For inside here. This one so now. No square. If you see add granola journal they eat them. Okay. Okay, go for our beetroot chicken. For our beetroot chicken or chicken beetroots. Okay. Good one. Now I give you more. You pay me, you pay me. You just delete. Just delete it. Now for see how I think. But I see too short video. That was already posted on my YouTube channel. You know, see how I take I will carry and come out from there. I'll show now how I take some. Okay. Can you know? I do a lot then. I do a lot too. Because as a mother, no good say you're still lazy sometimes. No good. What you know, say not be able to use money like that. You get them. But as normal, this one is my handwork. Okay, I work until I learn to move for Africa. I learn a lot. Then I know if you lazy for my work. No, I know if you lazy for my work. I know if you lazy for my work. Then, let's see the corner for you. Some will take the time, some will take time. This one our chichi. So, beetroot chichi. Okay? Beetroot chichi. Beetroot chichi. Yeah. Yeah.